All right, hello everyone. This is Joel Helmer here. I want to talk to you today about my new book, Nebraska's Bucks and Bulls, the greatest stories of hunting whitetail, mule deer, and elk in the Cornhusker State. Just got these copies, my first copies, this last week, and it's up for sale. And so I'm a lifelong big game hunter. I've been hunting big game for 35 years. It's a big part of my life. I'm also an outdoor writer, geography professor, and so the inspiration for me to write this book was my daughter, right here on the cover, shooting the current state record non-typical elk. Had this book in my mind for years, but when she shot that that bull, that experience, the reaction that it got really inspired me to work on this book. So I spent the last 2 years traveling the state of Nebraska, talking to other hunters who've had the good fortune of shooting big deer, whitetail, mule deer, and elk. And that was an awesome experience. So I've collected those stories into one place. There are 68 stories in here. And really, each story is a chapter. They're short stories. So they tell the story of the hunt. I weave in a good bit of geography and ecology and conservation and history, but each chapter is a short story, and tons of historic photographs. There's Pope and Young, Boone and Crockett score sheets on some of these. So there's the stories of over 70 of Nebraska's biggest deer and elk, including 24 either current or former state records. There's 31 whitetail stories. There's 22 mule deer stories, 15 elk stories. There's 19 archery kills in here. So if you want to read, experience some of the most exciting hunting stories that Nebraska has had to offer, this is a great book for you. It's over 300 pages long. Like I said, tons of historic photographs. So this would be a great book to sit in the deer stand with. It'd be a great book to give a fellow hunter as a gift, family member, as a Christmas present, or just to read. So I'm really proud of it. I'd love to have you read it and share the excitement of the hunt here in the great state of Nebraska. So I hope you'll check it out. It's available on Amazon and other book retailers. I think it's like $19. So I think you'd be really pleased. All right, thanks.